Abdali Grammar School. General Knowledge 1. Lesson 1. My Body. 69. Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. This is my body. Are you ready to discover the incredible things our bodies can do? Let's dive right in. Head. The head helps you think. Mouth. The mouth helps you eat. Elbow. The elbow helps you bend. We catch things with our hands. Hands help you do a lot of things. Help you play sports, help you do heavy labor. Example, fixing a nail on the wall or things. We walk with our legs. Your legs help you move around, walk and run. Hair crown your head and comes in many color and styles, making each person unique. We breathe with our lungs. Our stomach digests the food. Goodbye for now, and remember to take care of your wonderful face. See you next time.